In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to delete Quantower. If you've decided you no longer need the platform or you're doing a clean reinstallation, this walkthrough will guide you through a safe, straightforward removal using just the file system. First, make sure Quantower is fully closed. If the app is open, save any workspaces or settings you want to keep, and then exit the program. Take a quick moment to check that it isn't still running in the background. Look at your taskbar and system tray. If you see its icon, right-click it and choose to exit. Deleting while the app is active can prevent files from being removed. Next, find the folder where you installed Quantower. This is the main directory that contains the application's files. If you accepted the default location during installation, it's often inside your system drive under Program Files or Program Files, x86. If you chose a custom path, navigate to that folder instead. A simple way to locate it is to open File Explorer and use the search box to look for Quantower. If you have a desktop or Start menu shortcut, you can also right-click that shortcut and choose to open the file location, then move up one level to see the full installation folder. The goal is to identify the top-level Quantower folder, not just a shortcut or a single file. Once you've located the Quantower folder, right-click it. Before you proceed, double-check that you're acting on the actual installation directory and not a document folder or unrelated item. You can confirm by looking at the folder's contents or properties. It should contain the program's executables and subfolders. If your system is managed or has strict permissions, you might be prompted for administrator approval. That's normal for removing application files. Now click Delete. On most systems, this sends the folder to the recycle bin, giving you a chance to restore it if you change your mind. Depending on your settings, you may see a confirmation prompt. Go ahead and confirm. If Windows reports that some files are in use, that usually means the app or a related process is still running. Close anything related to Quantower and try again. After the deletion completes, the application files in that folder are removed from your system. And that's it. You've deleted Quantower by removing its installation folder. If you plan to install it again later, this clean slate can help resolve issues that were tied to the previous copy. Thanks for watching, and take care.